Hi everyone. I've had some requests on how do you do the letter P for the lowercase of the Chancery lettering style. So I am going to show you how it's done. And here we go. So we go up, straight down, come up, just to here, and then the opposite direction meets it. Okay? I'll show it to you again. So straight down, come just to here, opposite direction just to meet it. So this is the first stroke, straight down. 2 is coming up to this point, and 3 is going this direction to meet it. All right, I hope that helps you. And I'll just, yeah, okay. So if you need any help with any other lettering, I'm here for you. Give me a reach by message, and I'd be more than happy to let you know how to do it. I'd be happy to show you. Okay, bye for now.